Hey, what's up guys, this is Vinay. So in this tutorial we will see how we can use some IDE in Python. In previous video we saw a terminal walkthrough through our command prompt. So you already know, suppose you are from Java background, people are using Eclipse IDE. If you are from .NET background, people are using Visual Studio. So like this in Python we can use so many IDE like Anaconda, we can use PyCharm. Then okay, so we will learn in this video, we will learn how we can install our IDE for Python. Okay, so the IDE which I am using is PyCharm, so we will download and install PyCharm. So we'll go to our Chrome browser. Okay, here you can search for the PyCharm download. It will navigate to you to official website. Okay, here's the PyCharm site. Here you can see, you can open, it's showing the two options, professional and community. You can download anything, it's a free trial and free open source, but my suggestion is you can download community part. It more than enough. Your all scripting will be done from that community part only. Okay, so I will download community part. You have to accept terms and condition. Yeah, it's 187. I already downloaded and placed in my local. I will show you. Yeah, that is PyCharm. So what we need to do, we need to install that software. Okay, so I will move forward this video. Okay, so it's a finished part. I am pausing that video as of now so that it will not waste your time. Okay, we can run that PyCharm like this. Okay. So as soon as you will complete the installation and you will open the PyCharm, you will get option first customize window. Yeah, that one, customize PyCharm. Sorry, you can skip this or you can see the next feature plugin. Okay, so here I skip that part. It's PyCharm Community 2018.2. It's opening here. Okay, now you can create new project here. Okay, now it's showing your project name. You can give any project name what you want. Suppose I'm using Python tutorial create. It's using basic interpreter of python.exe. You can see in new environment. Okay, suppose we are doing now create. It's opening our Python IDE. It's loading our project. It's showing so many tabs. You can close it, or if you want to learn, you can see this. Okay, so see here it's our Python tutorial project. Now before moving further, I want to show something about setting and all. In IDE you can go to file, file and setting. You need to click on file and setting. Okay, here you will see so many options like appearance and all you can see, but my motto is to go to build execution deployment part. Here you can download any package from here also. Earlier we downloaded package from our terminal. Here I need to download suppose IPython, which we downloaded earlier from our command prompt. We can download from here. Okay, so build and execution is getting somewhat slow. My IDE project interpreter, you need to click this. Okay, you can see it's showing as of now 2 project only. PIP setup tool, you need to click on plus. Okay, and here you can search IPython. You search IPython. Yeah, it's getting IPython. You can install that package. Okay, so after this, what you need to do, you can see here IPython already installed here. Okay, yeah, so like this you can install any package here through your IDE. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to add one Python file in this project. Okay, basic.py. You can declare a string like this, a is equal to winner. You can print like this. It's pretty easy in PyCharm to create a string, to print a string. There is no need to declare a string like Java and .NET. You can declare like this. Python package will automatically understand it's a string. Okay, now you can see it's terminal. I have run this program. Yeah, it's showing winner. Correct. Yeah, it's pretty much slow today. Might be because I have installed so many IDE in this. Yeah, so like this you can run, you can execute your program. Suppose you want to declare another string bchan, you can declare it like this, you can print it like this. Same thing, you do right click, you can see the option of running the program. You will find there in IDE only. So see, it should print our string. Okay, now we are creating another string John in same variable A. So let's see what it will print. So suppose I want to print A, same variable we have taken, you can see here. So it should print John here. That see. So what is the funda that in Python, if you are declaring same variable, it will override the previous value. And we have installed IPython. So in command prompt, see I am printing A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 in terminal only. You can see in IDE. And suppose I want to print B, get index description. Yeah, see, I'm able to print from terminal also. Okay, so it's just a basic idea I want to give you today. Okay, so yeah, so hope you like this video. So in next tutorial we will see how we can uh, install Selenium in our IDE, and then we will start our Selenium scripting. Thank you guys. If you really like this video, give me a thumbs up.